sum of first n terms of a GP. For a GP which is T1, T2, T3, T4 dot Tn. So T1 is the first term, T2 is the second term, T3 is the third term, T4 is the fourth term, and you're going up to n terms. So Sn will be sum of all these terms, means this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus Tn. So I have added up everything. T1 is A, T2 is AR, T3 is AR square, AR raised to 4, and Tn will be AR raised to n minus 1. If you add up all these terms, there is a proof for that which is not there in the syllabus. So Sn will be equal to AR raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1, provided R is greater than 1. A 1 minus R raised to n upon 1 minus R if R is less than 1. So you have to just analyze whether R is greater than 1 or R is less than 1. Okay. Then if R is equal to 1, your Sn will be A plus A plus A plus A plus A plus A up to n terms. See, I'll tell you what it is. See, अपना जो term है ना वो A plus AR square plus AR cube and this is AR raised to n minus 1. अभी R अगर 1 रहेगा ना, ये तो A रहेगा, ये 1 डालेगा तो ये भी A आएगा. 1 square will also give you A, 1 cube will also give you A. 1 raised to anything is 1. So ultimately you add A n times. I think the answer is equal to an. Okay, if you add A 2 times, the answer is 2A. If you add A 5 times, the answer is 5A. If you add A n times, the answer is NA. Okay, now then this formula is Sn minus Sn minus 1 equal to Tn. You have to remember this formula. I'll try to explain this. See, suppose you have 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27. So Sn will be 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 9 is 13, 13 and 27 is 40. Sn minus 1 is nothing but एक टर्म कम करके, यानी ये टर्म कम कर दो और बाकी को ऐड करो. ये टर्म कम करके ऐड करेगा तो क्या आएगा 1 plus 3 plus 9. I think 4 and 9 is 13. बराबर है. ये Sn क्या है? Total of all these terms. Sn minus 1 is last term छोड़ के बाकी सबका total करने का. Now if I do Sn minus 1, मेरे को लगता है I get 40 minus 13. I think the answer is 27. Okay. Now what I am trying to tell you is, can you tell me which is the last term here? This is the first term, second term, third term. This is the last term. So last term is Tn, which is equal to total of all the terms minus total of last term छोड़ के बाकी सब. Okay, so Sn minus 1 equal to Tn. I'll explain it again. See, if I add 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27, suppose I'll make it even more simplified. 1, 3, 9, 27. चलो. If I add all this, can I say my total is 40? इसमें तो कोई doubt नहीं है. Sn minus 1 means एक term छोड़ दो, बाकी सबको total मारना है. 1 plus 3 plus 9 किया तो क्या आंसर आया 13. अभी मैं Sn minus 1 करेगा, can I say that is equal to 27, and 27 is the last term in the series, so that means it is nothing but Tn. So Sn minus 1, that is equal to Tn. You have to remember this formula. We have to find Sn, right? So A, which is the first term, which is equal to 3, R equal to T2 by T1, which is 6 upon 3, that is equal to 2. But can I say 2 is greater than 1? So Sn में दो formula, Sn equal to A R n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Another formula is Sn equal to A inside the bracket 1 minus R raised to n, the whole upon 1 minus R. This is for R being greater than 1 and this is for R being less than 1. Abhi you have to decide whether R is greater than 1 or R is less than 1. 2 is more than 1, that means R is more than 1. So use this formula. Now how many terms are there? We don't know. Therefore the number of terms will be n. Dot है ना, तो the number of terms are n. So I will say that Sn equal to A R raised to n minus 1 R minus 1. A 3 R is 2 raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1 is 2 minus 1. This is 2 3 raised to n minus 1 upon 1. I think the answer will be 3 into 2 raised to n minus 1. So you have to find the sum of n terms, right? So A equal to P, R equal to T2 by T1, that is Q by P. Now the problem here is we are not able to understand whether Q by P is greater than 1 or Q by P is less than 1. So you have to solve the sum with both the cases. Q by P greater than 1 and Q by P is less than 1. Last sum में क्या था? We got R as 2. 2 मिला तो 2 को बोल सकते more than 1. लेकिन Q by P में unless until you don't know the values of Q and P, you will not be able to tell whether R is greater than 1 or R is less than 1. So we'll take case 1. A equal to P, R equal to Q by P, which is less than 1. So I think the formula for Sn is A 1 minus R raised to n, the whole upon 1 minus R. So Sn will be equal to P 1 minus R, Q upon P raised to n, the whole upon 1 minus R. 1 minus R means 1 minus Q by P. So I think you get Sn equal to P inside the bracket 1 minus Q upon P raised to n. Take P as the LCM. I think you should get P minus Q. So we get Sn equal to P 1 minus Q upon P raised to n, and into this P will rotate. So this will become P upon P minus Q. So Sn equal to this P and this P, if you multiply, you get P square 1 minus Q upon P, the whole raised to n, the whole upon P minus Q. Now we can go for case 2. Case 2 is A equal to P, R equal to Q upon P. We will assume that it is greater than 1. एक time we took less than 1, so next time we will take greater than 1. So Sn will be equal to AA, R raised to n minus 1, the whole upon R minus 1. P, Q upon P raised to n minus 1 upon Q upon P minus 1. So this is P, Q upon P raised to n minus 1. You take P as the LCM. If you take P as the LCM, you get Q minus P. So my Sn will be, ये घूमेगा, so this will be P Q upon P raised to n minus 1 multiplied by P upon Q minus P. So Sn will be this P and this P, if you multiply, you get P square upon Q minus P followed by Q upon P raised to n minus 1. Now, given A equal to 2, R equal to minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3, definitely it is less than 1. So my formula for Sn will be A inside the bracket 1 minus R raised to n, the whole upon 1 minus R. मुझे S6 चाहिए ना? S6 means A inside the bracket 1 minus R raised to 6 upon 1 minus R. So S6 will be A, which is 2, 1 minus R raised to 6. R raised to 6 means it is minus 2 upon 3 raised to 6, the whole upon 1 minus R. 1 minus R means 1 minus 2 by 3. S6 will be 2, 1 minus the whole raised to 6 will be positive. 2 raised to 6 is 64. 3 raised to 6 is 729. The whole upon 1 plus 2 by 3. Remember, first you have to solve the bracket and then you have to take the minus and inside. For God's sake, don't do minus into minus as plus. वैसा नहीं चलेगा. पहला bracket index को solve कर दो, because minus anything raised to even index will give the answer positive. Okay? तो पहला bracket solve कर दो, फिर minus into minus plus करना है तो minus, या minus into plus को minus लिखना, that is your call. So this will be 2 This is 729 minus 64 upon 729. ये मेरे को लगता है 5/3 आएगा. So I think I should get S6 equal to 2 729 ना. So ये 5 आएगा. 12 minus 6 will give you 6, and this is 665 into 3/5. This 5/3 will become 3/5, and here you will have 729. 5 should go here 133 times, and 3 should go here 243 times. So I think the answer will be 266, the whole upon 243. Now, they have given S5 equal to 1023. They have given R equal to 4. R equal to 4 means 4 is more than 1. So R is greater than 1. So Sn will be basically A R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. So what will be S5? S5 will be A R raised to 5 minus 1 upon R minus 1. अभी S5 का value is 1023. A is what we have to find to leave it untouched. R 4. So you have 4 raised to 5 minus 1, the whole upon 4 minus 1. So you get 1023 equal to A. 4 raised to 5 is 1024 minus 1 upon 3. So I get 1023 equal to A multiplied by 1023 upon 3. Cross multiply करो. 1023 into 3 equal to A into 1023. 1023 1023 cut. You get the value of A as equal to 3. See, given A equal to 2, R equal to 3, Sn equal to 242. So this is the most important thing. R is equal to 3 means R is greater than 1. So I will say that Sn equal to A inside the bracket, R raised to n minus 1, the whole upon R minus 1. So I think this is 242, 2, 3 raised to n minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. So I get 242 equal to 2, 3 raised to n minus 1 upon 2. 2 cut. So I get 242 equal to 3 raised to n minus 1. 1 को इधर लेके आओ. तो you get 243 equal to 3 raised to n. 243 is 3 raised to 5 equal to 3 raised to n. Comparing both sides, we get n equal to 5. See, sum of first 3 terms is 125. So sum of first 3 terms equal to 125. Now मेरे GP is in the form of A, AR, AR square, AR cube, AR raised to 4, AR raised to 5, on so on and so on up to AR raised to n minus 1. So the sum of first 3 terms, यानी कि पहला टर्म, सेकेंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म, ये 3 को ऐड करेगा तो you get the answer as 125. I'll say that S3 equal to 125. Then we have sum of next 3 terms equal to 27. Next 3 terms means ये 3 नंबर का total is 27. So, but whenever we find sum of n terms in a GP, it is always sum of first n terms. बीच में से ऐड करेगा तो GP का फॉर्मूले नहीं लगेगा. GP का मतलब क्या है? सम ऑफ n terms ऑफ a GP का मतलब क्या है? स्टार्टिंग से ऐड करने का. तो सम ऑफ नेक्स्ट 3 terms is 27. तो कहने से that इसका टोटल is 125 and इसका जो टोटल है वो 27 है. तो पूरा 6 का 6 टर्म का टोटल क्या रहेगा? 125 plus 27. तो कहने से that sum of next 3 terms is 27. तो I will say that sum of first 6 terms equal to sum of first 3 terms plus sum of next 3 terms. So S6 will be equal to sum of first 3 terms is 125, sum of next 3 terms is 27. I get S6 equal to 152. Let us discuss again. देखो, Sn is sum of first n terms. Sn is sum of first n terms. Sum of first 3 terms क्या रहेगा? 1, 2, 3. 3 नंबर को ऐड किया 125 आया. Sum of next 3 terms is this and this. I hope you're getting what I'm saying. This and this. लेकिन अपना रूल क्या बोलता है कि it should be sum of first 6 terms. First 6 terms means बीच में से ऐड करेगा तो Sn का फॉर्मूले नहीं लगेगा. Sn का फॉर्मूले will be applicable only if you add all the terms. So if I add this, can I say that my total will be 125 plus 27, which is equal to 152? तो वही मैं क्या बोलना चाह रहा है कि sum of first 6 terms will be equal to sum of these 3 terms. ये 3 टर्म का टोटल प्लस ये 3 टर्म का टोटल. That means it will be 125 plus 27, which is S6. That is equal to 152. It's an important sum. You will have to do it properly. Now let's start. S3 equal to 125. So can I say that Sn का formula is A r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1. ऐसा भी हो सकता है Sn equal to A inside the bracket 1 minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r. कौन सा भी formula use कर सकते हैं. Now you tell me, in this sum, where have they given the value for r? Don't guess value of r. It is more than 1, less than 1. You don't make any assumption. Have they given in the question? No. So you can use any one of the formula. I'm going to use this. If you want, you can use this. You get the same answer. So S3 equal to A r raised to 3 minus 1 upon r minus 1. Now S3 is A r raised to 3 minus 1 upon r minus 1. I'm going to use this formula. I know the value of S3 as 125 equal to A r raised to 3 minus 1 the whole upon r minus 1. Leave it as it is. Take it as 3. Then S6 will be equal to A r power 6 minus 1 the whole upon r minus 1. So I think this is 152 equal to A r raised to 6 minus 1 upon r minus 1. Okay. Divide 4 by 3. Okay. So you get 152 upon 125 equal to A r raised to 6 minus 1 upon r minus 1, A r raised to 3 minus 1 upon r minus 1. R minus 1 cut, A cut. So you have 152 upon 125, that is equal to r raised to 6 minus 1 upon r raised to 3 minus 1. So we have 152 upon 125, that is equal to, r raised to 6, you write it as r raised to 3 the whole square minus 1 को 1 square लिख देना. r raised to 6 को r cube the whole square, 1 को you can write it as 1 square upon r cube minus 1. So you have 152 upon 125. This is in the form of a square minus b square, which is a minus b into a plus b r cube minus 1. r cube minus 1, r cube minus 1 cut हो जाएगा. I'm not having space, so I'm doing it here. So I'm having 152 upon 125 equal to r cube plus 1. You get that 1 to this side. You get 152 upon 125 minus 1 equal to r cube. So You take the LCM as 125. So you get 152 minus 125 equal to R cube. So this is 27 upon 125 equal to R cube. So R cube will be equal to 127 is 3, 125 is 5. I think it is 3 upon 5 the whole cube. R equal to 3 by 5. Final answer. I think I have started from here and I am continuing it here. So be very careful while copying. For a GP, T3 equal to 20, T6 equal to 120 and you have to find the value for S7. तो S7 यानी SN ढूंढने के SN ढूंढने के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए अपने को A और R चाहिए. Okay, you have to find the value of A and R from this. So I will say let A be the first term and R be the common ratio. So T3 equal to 20. What is the formula for Tn? Tn equal to AR raised to n minus 1. So T3 will be equal to AR raised to 3 minus 1. 20 equal to AR square. इसको 1 देना. फिर मेरे पास है T6 equal to 160. T6 का फॉर्मूला रहेगा AR raised to 6 minus 1. T6 equal to AR raised to 6 minus 1. 160 equal to AR raised to 5. This is 2. Now what you do is divide 2 by 1. GP में always division से easy solve कर सकते हैं. So 2 is 160, 1 is 20, AR raised to 5, AR square. ये कट हो जाएगा. I think you should get 8. A कट जाएगा. I think you should get R cube. So you get R cube equal to 2 cube. So you get R equal to 2. बराबर. Now what we will do is we will have to find the value for A. So what I will do is substitute R equal to 2 either in 1 or in 2, doesn't make any difference. So what is 1? 1 is AR square equal to 20. A into 2 square equal to 20. A into 4 equal to 20. Therefore I get A equal to 5. Now मुझे क्या ढूंढना है? I want to find the value for S7. So can I say that R is 2? 2 means can I say that this is the case where R is greater than 1? So my SN का formula will be A R n minus 1 the whole upon R minus 1 because R is greater than 1. Why R is greater than 1? R is greater than 1 because R का value 2 है. अभी मुझे क्या ढूंढना है? S7. तो S7 equal to A R raised to 7 minus 1 the whole upon R minus 1. S7 equal to A का value बोलो क्या है? 5. R का value क्या है? 2 raised to 7 minus 1 the whole upon 2 minus 1. So probably I get S7 equal to 5. 2 raised to 7 is 128 minus 1 upon 1. S7 will be 5 into 127. 7 5s are 35, 3, 60. I hope the answer is 635. Question number 5-1, 3 plus 33 plus 333 dot 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 up to n terms. So A will be 3, R will be 33 upon 3 that is equal to 11. Again R will be T3 by T2 that is 333 upon 33 which is equal to 10.09 approximately. So your R is not the same, so this sequence is not a GP. So what you have to do is you have to convert this entire sequence in terms of a GP and you have to solve the sum. So there is a very standard way of doing the sum. So this is not a GP, so this is ruled out. So take 3 common, you get 1 plus 11 plus 111 up to n terms. Okay. then what you have to do is you have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 9. So you get 3 upon 9 into 9. All this procedure is done to convert the sequence into a GP. Okay, so let this 3 by 9 remain as it is. ये जो बाहर का 9 है उसको अंदर ले लो. 9 plus 99 plus 999 up to n terms. Okay, then this 3 by 9 we can write it as 1 by 3. Okay, 9 I'll write it as 10 minus 1. 99 I'll write it as 100 minus 1. 999 I'll write it as 1000 minus 1 dot 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 up to n terms. So this is 1 upon 3. This is, write all multiples of 10 together. 10, 100, 1000 dot 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 up to n terms. Minus 1 ये वाला, minus 1 ये वाला, minus 1 ये वाला. This will also be up to n terms. So this is 1 upon 3 inside the bracket. 10 plus 100 plus 1000 up to n terms. Take minus common, you get 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n terms. Okay. Now ये जो 10, 100, 1000, okay, this is a GP. क्यों मालूम है? A is 10, R is equal to T2 by T1, 100 upon 10, that is equal to 10. We can also take R equal to T3 by T2, 1000 upon 100, that is also equal to 10. So can I say that indirectly R is greater than 1? So my Sn will be A inside the bracket, R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. A is 10, R is 10, raised to n minus 1 upon 10 minus 1. That means this is 10 raised to n minus 1 upon 9. ये पार्ट सॉल्व हो गया. फिर ये पार्ट सॉल्व करते हैं. फिर दोनों को उठा के सम में फिक्स करते हैं. मीनिंग फर्स्ट वी हैव सॉल्व दिस, नेक्स्ट वी विल सॉल्व दिस. Then what we will do is whatever value you are getting for 10 plus 100 plus 1000, we'll put the value here. Meaning this will go here. And इसको बाद में अभी सॉल्व करते हैं और उसका जो भी वैल्यू आएगा उसको वहां डालते हैं. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n terms. I think the answer is n. I'll tell you how. देखो इधर देखो. 1 plus 1 plus 1. अगर मैं 3 टाइम ऐड करेगा तो 3 आएगा. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 4 टाइम ऐड करेगा आंसर 4 आएगा. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. ऐसा मैं 10 टाइम्स ऐड करेगा तो क्या आंसर आएगा? 10. वही अगर मैं 1 plus 1 plus 1 अगर मैं n टाइम्स ऐड करेगा तो मेरा क्या आंसर आएगा? n. That's how I got this n. Okay. Now I'll do it here. My answer is 1 upon 3 बराबर है 10 plus 100 plus 1000. 10, 100, 1000 का Sn ढूंढा ना तो I'm getting this as 10 multiplied by 10 raised to n minus 1 upon 9 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1, I'm getting it as n. So what happens is this becomes 1 upon 3. Take 9 as LCM. 10 raised to n minus 1 minus 9n. At the most you can write this as 1 upon 27. 9 into 3 will give you 27. 10 raised to n minus 1 minus 9n. Copy. Now R will be 88 upon 8. 88 upon 8 is 11. 888 upon 8 is 10.9. So ये ना GP है ना AP है. तो क्या करने का? सेम. टेक 8 कॉमन. लास्ट सम में जैसा क्या वैसे ही करना. 1 plus 11 plus 111 up to n terms. Multiply numerator and denominator by 9. You get 8 by 9 into 9. I think this is 1 plus 11 plus 111 up to n terms. ये रहेगा 8 by 9. 9 को अंदर डालना. 9 99, 999 up to n terms, 8 upon 9. ये जो 9 है ना उसको 10 minus 1 लिखना, ये जो 99 है ना उसको 100 minus 1 लिखना, 999 को 1000 minus 1 लिखना and up to n terms. So this becomes 8 upon 9. ये जो multiples of 10 को साथ में लिखो, meaning 10 plus 100 plus 1000 dot 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 up to n terms. minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, this will also be up to n terms. ठीक है? So this is 8 upon 9. ये रहेगा 10 plus 100 plus 1000 dot 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 up to n terms. Take minus common, 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n terms. ठीक है? पहले इसको सॉल्व करते हैं, फिर इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. 10, 100, 1000. ये जीबी में चेक करो. T2 by T1, 100 upon 10, 10. T3 by T2, 1000 upon 100, that is 10. So I will say that my A is 10, R is 10, which is greater than 1. So Sn will be equal to, मुझे ऐड करना है ना, ऐड मीन्स टोटल करना है. A R to the power n minus 1 upon R minus 1, that is equal to 10 raised to n minus 1 upon 10 minus 1, that is 10 raised to n minus 1 upon 9. I think this is sorted. 1 plus 1 up to n terms. In the previous example, I explained that 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 times will give you 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 10 times will give you 10. 1 plus 1 plus 1 100 times will give you 100. 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times, I think that is equal to n. So my answer will be 8 upon 9 bracket 10 plus 100 plus 1000. I think I am getting the answer as 10 raised to n minus 1 upon 9 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. I think the answer is n. So I think I can write this as 8 upon 9. I think the LCM for this will be 9. 10 raised to n minus 1 minus 9n. Ultimately the answer will be here 8 upon 81. 9 into 9 will give you 81. 10 raised to n minus 1 minus 9n. Next sum 0.4, 0.44, 0.44 up to n terms. Take 4 common. You get 0.1, 0.11, 0.111 up to n terms. Why you have to do this? Because 0.44 upon 0.4 will not be equal to 0.444 upon 0.44. Okay. So again multiply numerator and denominator by 9. So you get 4 upon 9 into 9, 0.1, 0.11, 0.111 up to n terms. 4 upon 9, 0.9, 0.99, 0.999 up to n terms. This is 4 by 9. 0.9 is 1 minus 0.1. 0.99 is 1 minus 0.01. 0.999 is 1 minus 0.01 up to n terms. This will be 4 upon 9. Write all the 1 together and write all 0.1, 0.01, 0.001 together. So I will say this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n terms, minus 0.1, minus 0.01, minus 0.001 up to n terms. So this is 4 by 9, 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n terms. Take minus common, 0.1, 0.01, 0.001 up to n terms. अभी इसको अलग से सॉल्व करना, इसको अलग से सॉल्व करना, then you merge both the answer. So first is I'll start with 1 plus 1 plus 1 dot 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 up to n terms. I think the answer is equal to n. That means this is done. Now we have to do that. 0.1 plus 0.01, 0.001 up to n terms. So I will say that my A equal to 0.1, R equal to 0.01 upon 0.1. 0.01 is 1 by 100 upon 1 by 10. Cut it, you get 1 by 10. I think the answer is 0.1. And R, if you want to cross verify, again you can do 0.001 divided by 0.01. This is 1 upon 1000 divided by 1 by 100. Those 0 cut, you get 1 by 10. इसका भी आंसर 0.1 आएगा. 0.1 is less than 1. So तुम्हारा जो Sn रहेगा ना, उसका फॉर्मूला रहेगा A 1 minus R raised to n the whole upon 1 minus R. A, what is A here? (0.1) 1 minus 0.1 raised to n the whole upon 1 minus 0.1. So therefore Sn will be equal to, I'm just continuing it here, 0.1 inside the bracket 1 minus 0.1 raised to n upon 0.9. So Sn will be equal to 0.1 is 1 by 10, 1 minus 0.1 raised to n the whole upon 0.9 is 9 by 10. तो कट कर देना, तो इसका आंसर आएगा 1 inside the bracket 1 minus 0.1 raised to n upon 9. अभी मेरा जो क्वेश्चन है ना वो इधर था. ओके, सो ये तो आएगा 4 by 9 बराबर है inside the bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n terms. I think the answer is n. बीच में आएगा माइनस 0.1 plus 0.0. I think the answer for that is here. That is 1 minus 0.1 raised to n the whole upon 9. That's it. See, let's start. T1 equal to 0.5, T2 equal to 0.55, T3 equal to 0.555. So this 0.55, can I write it as 0.5 plus 0.05. 0.555, can I write it as 0.5 plus 0.05 plus 0.005. बराबर है. सपोज मुझे और एक्सटेंड करना है तो T4 will be equal to 5 will come 4 times. So that means this will be 0.5, 0.05, 0.005 और ये आएगा 0.0030 and 5. तो वैसा करके अगर मैं Tn ढूंढेगा, I think the question is to find the nth term. What is the question? To find the nth term. So Tn will be equal to 0.55555 dot 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 dot. कितना टाइम आएगा? n times आएगा. So that means this will be 0.5 plus 0.05 plus 0.005 plus 0.0005 plus करके it will go up to how many terms? It will go up to n terms. So if I have to find T2, I think I will have to add ये दो value. If I have to find T3, can I say I will add this, this and this? I will get this. Again, if I want to find T2, if I add this and this, can I say I'll get 0.55? If I want to find T3, can I say I will have to add this, this and this? I get this. If I want to find T4, can I say I will have to add this, this, this and this? So if I have to find Tn, can I say I will have to add this, 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 this and so on. So can I say that if I have to find Tn, can I say I have to add up all this? Yes or no? So my Tn will be derived only by adding all this. That means my Tn will be equal to Sn. So my A will be equal to 0.5, R will be equal to 0.05 upon 0.5. This will be 5 by 100 upon 5 by 10. I think 5 and 5 will get cancelled. I get 1 by 10. I think the answer is 0.1. 0.1 is less than 1. So according to me, Tn equal to Sn, and Sn का formula for R being less than 1. R less than 1 है भाई. R less than 1 means A 1 minus R raised to n upon 1 minus R. A क्या है 0.5. 1 minus R क्या है 0.1 raised to n, the whole upon 1 minus 0.1. So this is 0.5, 1 minus 0.1 raised to n, the whole upon 0.9. ऊपर नीचे 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देना, तो 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेगा 0.5 into 10 will give you 5. 1 minus 0.1 raised to n, and 0.9 into 10 will give you 9. Sn is 2 into 3 raised to n minus 1. You have to find Tn, which is the nth term, and hence you have to show that the sequence is a GP. So I have given a formula which is Tn equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So Tn will be equal to Sn minus 1. So Sn equal to 2 into 3 raised to n minus 1. Sn minus 1 का मतलब है wherever you see n, जिधर जिधर n देखेगा replace all with n minus 1. तो ये आएगा 3 raised to n minus 1 minus 1. तो Tn equal to Sn minus 1. That means it will be 2 3 raised to n minus 1 minus 2 3 raised to n minus 1 minus 1. So first what you do is you take out 2 common. If you take out 2 common, क्या बचेगा 3 raised to n minus 1 minus 3 raised to n minus 1 minus 1 बचेगा. तो you can have Tn equal to 2. खोल दो इसको, तो 3 raised to n minus 1 minus 3 raised to n minus 1 plus 1 होएगा. Minus into minus will become plus, cut it. तो I will get Tn equal to 2 multiplied by 3 raised to n minus 3 raised to n minus 1. बराबर है. So Tn will be equal to 2 3 raised to n. 3 raised to n minus 1. This is in the form of a raised to m minus n, which is nothing but a raised to m upon a raised to n. तो ये बनेगा 3 raised to n upon 3 raised to 1. बराबर है. So Tn equal to 2. Take 3 raised to n common. 3 raised to n common निकालेगा तो 1 minus 1 upon 3 आएगा. तो 2 into, okay. Tn equal to 2 3 raised to n, okay. And इधर LCM मारेगा ना तो 2 by 3 आएगा, because LCM is 3 minus 1 which is 2 by 3. So Tn equal to 2 into 2 4 हो जाएगा, ये आएगा 3 raised to 1 upon 3. देखो 2 into 2 by 3 क्या बन जाएगा 4 by 3, and this will be 3 raised to n. ये 3 raised to n वैसे ही रहेगा, 2 into 2 will give you 4 and in the denominator will get 3. So the first part of the sum is over. Tn हो गया, hence show that the sequence is GP. बराबर है. For a sequence to be a GP, prove that Tn plus 1 upon Tn equal to constant. ठीक है. So हम लोग चालू करेंगे LHS. LHS is Tn plus 1 upon Tn. तो Tn क्या है 4 upon 3 multiplied by 3 raised to n. तो Tn plus 1 क्या रहेगा 4 upon 3. n के जगह में you put n plus 1. See, T2 पूछेगा तो n के जगह में 2 जाएगा, T3 पूछेगा तो n के जगह में 3 जाएगा, T1 पूछेगा तो n के जगह में 1 जाएगा, Tn plus 1 पूछेगा तो n के जगह में n plus 1 आएगा. Now I will do Tn plus 1 upon Tn. So this is 4 upon 3, 3 raised to n plus 1 upon Tn is 4 upon 3 and 3 raised to n, 4 upon 3, 4 upon 3 कटा. क्या बचा अपने पास 3 रेज टू n प्लस 1. सो दिस इज 3 रेज टू n प्लस 1. नीचे क्या बचा 3 रेज टू n. सो दिस विल बी 3 रेज टू n प्लस 1 माइनस n. कट हो जाएगा. यू गेट द आंसर एज 3 raised to 1, that is equal to 3 equal to constant. Therefore the sequence is GP. इधर बनता तो for your reference you can write a formula a raised to m upon a raised to n equal to a to the power m minus n. ये a raised to m है, ये a raised to n है. a raised to m upon a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. हो गया.